Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2006 Honda Pilot EXL. Now, again, this is an auction car, but due to the overwhelming popularity of some of these videos, figured why not? This one has 228,000 miles on it, a little bit of rust, but no warning lights on, and it actually drives pretty decently. This back seat is in great condition. I haven't opened this, so oh, that's not terrible. And your third row seats, these look like these have never even been used. Oh, come on, look at that. Those are mint. Look at this. Not a bad rig at all. Oh, okay, it's part of the climate. That's nice. It's like, what on earth is that noise? There's gonna be some clunks. There is definitely gonna be some rattles. But this is a 230,000 mile car. So I've driven, I believe it was an 08, but that one was a base model. This one is your EXL. I mean, Sirius XM radio. Actually, I think the 08 had Sirius XM. Whoa. That's not ideal. Come on, handling. 230,000 mile shocks. Come on. Little bit of body roll. You know, this is not a bad, not an ashtray. Oh, it's a coin holder. Heated seats? They still work. I've always liked that. That is such a cool idea, and I don't think a lot of will be used that continuously. Huh. You know, this thing is in pretty darn good shape. It has been detailed, but it's in pretty darn good shape for 230,000 miles. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.